What's good, guys? Today is Sunday, so I'm just going to drop a recap on how my week went, and I'm going to talk about uh, why I need to quit my job. But let me just get right to the screen now so you can see. On Wednesday, one of the reasons why I think I should just quit my job and just focus on trading fully. If you look at this trade on Wednesday. I was on my phone for a while, then I set this fair value gap that I saw on the 5 minutes. Yeah. This fair value gap that I saw on the 5 minutes, and I was just waiting for it to tap in. By the time I came back, I was just called downstairs to come and walk. Then by the time I came back, the trader tapped in. Just see, look at this. This is 3x. 3 weeks to reward. 3-1 here. That I just missed by this. I was so devastated. It was really a quick trade. Look at this. This is less than 20 minutes. 140 clicks. This is less than 20 minutes trade. 15 minutes trade. I missed this on Wednesday. I just moved on. And on Thursday, I entered another trade. Another textbook trade, really. I think it's on the 1 hour. I saw the movement on the 1 hour. Yes. And then, okay, let me go back to the 15 minutes. Yeah, it was a 15-minute fair value gap. Look at this 15-minute fair value gap right here. I just set my entry at this 83 level of this Fibonacci. You can see from this range, from here, this range, from here down here. That was the range I was looking at. If you can see this fair value gap right here, I just set it and just wait because I was on my phone. So as the trade entered, let me go back to the 5 minutes so that you see the movement. I was in a trade and the trade was really moving fast. I was about to set my break even when all of a sudden, I don't know what happened. I think I just mistakenly closed it. I was so devastated. Look at this. This is Marvin account. This is the dashboard anyway. This is the trade. A sell on gold on that Thursday. I just closed for $9. I was planning to set for break even though. And I don't know when I just clicked close. So that's just it. Those were the two trades that I just saw this week. Overall, I think my job is just the thing that is holding me down now. Over the last 2 years now that I've been trading, I've really gotten a good hand of it. So the thing is, I don't even know whether to just quit my job fully and just focus on it, or because I'm trying to get into school. I'm not even sure school is a good idea. But I know I'm capable of doing something in trading. I know and I wish to do something in trading, but I'm not going to settle for less. But everybody just saying get a side hustle if you want to trade, get a side hustle. It's true that you need to get a side hustle, but your side hustle can even hinder you from trading. The department that I'm in at work, I'm even free to be on my phone most of the time. Other departments, they can't even look at their phone until break time. So I'm even lucky that I'm there in a department that is allowing me to even be on my phone for the little time that I have the chance. So anytime I'm at home, I'm able to shoot content and able to even trade fully, yeah, without any disturbance or or something, and I'm even calmer. I'm not under any pressure. I'm not under any stress. So if I'm at work and I'm on a trade, I'll be on the pressure of I need to check my trade and pressure of the work. So it's really hard to balance. I don't know yet, but time will tell. Time will tell what I'll do. I want to lock in on this content creation stuff and really get moving forward. I know I'm capable in my skills as a trader, and I'm confident I can really do this to break away. Yeah. Thanks you for watching. If you're watching this, please do well to like and do well to subscribe. Anyway that you're watching this, if you're watching this on YouTube, on TikTok, or on Instagram, just do well to like, do well to subscribe. Thank you.